so we're ready to install our cabinetry panels. Now these panels are from Osborne Wood Products. If you're interested in learning more about these or other ones that we offer, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check that out. Now we're using some hinges that we picked up from a local hardware store. These are hidden hinges that hide under the bottom of our panel. So what we're gonna do is mark out on both sides even spacing and then install them there, lift our panels off, and then tack them into our panel. We also picked up a couple pulls from the local store that we're gonna install right here in the middle. All right, so the last piece of hardware we have are these little latches for the doors. Now what these are gonna do are just hang right there on the bottom of our face frame, and then the other piece will go on to our panel. Whenever you close that door, it's gonna make sure that it stays latched and shut and that it's not gonna open accidentally.